How to conceive without medicines? Are you confused with infertility treatments? Is infertility a problem? Do you want to know the solution for it? I am conducting a webinar, live webinar. It's a free webinar in which I would like to give the secrets of conceiving without any medicines. Would you like to know the secrets? You can discover the secrets by joining me in the coming webinar. I am looking forward to see all the infertility couples to conceive naturally. This is Sree. I am an acupuncturist and Reiki master. There is a possibility to conceive naturally if you are ready. See you in the next video. Take care. Thank you. Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about chakras. What are chakras? Chakras are focal points that are found in our human body. They correspond they look like a spinning disc of energies that should stay open and receive the energy. Chakras will be like a wheel. They will rotate like clockwise and anti-clockwise. Those are spinning discs of energies that should stay open and aligned, as they correspond to the bundles of nerves, major organs and areas of our energetic body that affect our emotional and physical well-being. Ancient Reiki scriptures state that there are 7 chakras in our body. The person's mind, body and spiritual well-being are balanced and healthy when chakras are clear. When the chakras are blocked, the functioning of the chakras will affect adversely, as other chakras has to compensate to the depleted chakras energy. When all chakras are open and balanced, the body, mind and spiritual self are healthy. And Reiki is one of the several techniques which can free or open the blocked chakras, thereby to restore the person's natural balance. These chakras correspond to the specific organs as well as physical, emotional, psychological and spiritual state of being and influence all areas of your life. These chakras consist of prana, or purest form of ultimate healing energy that is around us and within us to live a happy, healthy and vibrant life. When a chakra is blocked or clogged or closed, these feelings and behaviors are suppressed, resulting in the negative feelings stemming from the emotion or particular emotion or the instinct. Kiki Matoba, one of the most prolific Reiki healers in our time, states that these chakras, when open and aligned, could allow the energy to constantly flow freely, allowing the prana to flow through them. The 7 chakras are crown chakra, ajna or brow chakra, throat chakra, heart chakra, solar plexus, navel chakra, basic or Muladhara chakra. These are the 7 major chakras which allows the energy to flow freely in the body and keeps the body healthy and vibrant. So friends, these are about chakras. Hope you would have got some insight about the chakras. Let me know your understanding by commenting below. This is Sree. Thank you for watching.